The following Brother tutorial will guide you through the wireless setup of your Brother machine. The model we are using may look slightly different or have different features than the model you purchased. The process of setup will be the same. To connect your machine wirelessly, you will need to know the SSID or network name of your router, and you will need to know your network password. If you do not know this information, please contact your router manufacturer. If you have previously configured or attempted to configure the wireless connection, first you must reset the wireless card. To reset the wireless card, press Menu, up or down to select Network, press OK, press up or down to select Network Reset, press OK, press Reset, select Yes. The wireless card is now reset. To configure the wireless, on the Brother machine, press Menu, press the down arrow to select Network, press OK, select WLAN, press OK, select Setup Wizard, and press OK. When WLAN Enable is displayed on the LCD screen, choose On and press OK. The Brother machine will search for SSIDs or networks in your area. A list of SSIDs in your area will display. Select your SSID or network name, then press OK. If the machine asks you if you would like to use WPS or AOSS, press 2 for No. The display will prompt you to enter your network password. Enter this and press OK. If you do not know your network password, please contact your router manufacturer. To enter your network password, use the keypad. Pressing the number 2 displays an A. Pressing the number 2 again displays B. Pressing it again, C. Pressing it again into capitals, and further into numbers. Enter the network password, then press OK. The LCD will prompt you to apply settings. Select Yes and press OK. The machine will take a few moments to connect to your wireless network, and then will display either connected or connection failed. If the connection failed, it is likely the network password is incorrect. After you receive the message connected, make sure your computer is on and you are logged in with administrator rights. Insert the Brother CD-ROM into your computer drive. This tutorial will walk you through the major steps of the installation. The screens you see on your computer may vary from the tutorial slightly. Unless indicated in the tutorial, just select Next on the installation screens to continue. Select your Brother machine. Select your language. Click Install MFL Pro Suite. For the Paperport license agreement, click Yes. As the software installs, you will see progress screens. On the Brother license agreement, click Yes. Choose Wireless Network Connection, then click Next. For the Firewall Antivirus screen, leave the option for Change Firewall Port Settings, then click Next. The installation will display a list of Brother machines on your network. If your machine is not listed, try clicking Refresh. If your machine never appears, check your network connection. Choose your Brother machine, then click Next. As the software installs, you will see progress screens. When the registration screen appears, you can choose to do an online registration. Then click Next. Make the selections for the default printer, then click Next. You will be prompted to restart your computer. Select Yes, then click Finish. Now you are ready to print using a wireless connection.
Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, your problem gets solved. For any query and video, subscribe our YouTube channel.